So far, we have studied the analysis of non-sway portal frames. In the previous classes, we have studied the analysis of non-sway portal frames. Now, we will study the frames with portal frames with side sway or lateral sway. Here, by observing this figure 1, that is portal frame, this one is subjected to a lateral force at the joint. Then here, due to this lateral load at this joint, the horizontal member is displaced to a new position like this. The horizontal member is displaced. Only the vertical members, they will get the deflection in vertical direction. Here there is no horizontal deflection like in continuous beam. There is a settlement or sinking of the support or rise in the level of the support with respect to the original position. Here only the vertical members will get disturbed. They will displaced or they will deflect like this. This one is the lateral sway. Here the length of the horizontal member will not change if the portal frame is subjected to load like this. There is loads in the lateral direction. There is a lateral sway, that is lateral deflection in the vertical member, but the length of the horizontal member or the beam will not change. Here this one is vertical column, this one is vertical column, this one is beam. The length of the beam will not change. Similarly, here in this case, in the second figure, in this figure, this one is figure A, it is subjected to lateral load, and this one is here because of the geometrical symmetry. This is not symmetrical or non-symmetrical about the vertical axis. Here the length of column, first column is less as compared to the length of the second column. Then the height of this column is less as compared to the height of this column. Here there is, you cannot get the two equal parts. If you cut this vertically, then this one is non-symmetrical. Then automatically here there is a lateral sway of the vertical member like this. Here we have to, this one is the lateral sway of this portal frame. There is no change in the dimensions of the length of the beam. This one is the lateral sway, that is delta. Here this one is delta. There is lateral deflection or side sway or lateral sway in the vertical member. Similarly, here in this diagram, one of the end is fixed and other end is on hinge. There is, because of the non-symmetry, here if you cut this, here you will get, you will not get two equal parts on either side. You will not get the mirror images. Then this one is non-symmetrical. Then there may be chances of the side sway like this. Here this one is the lateral sway or side sway in this one. That is, here this one is the lateral sway, this one is the lateral sway. Here the length of the horizontal member of the beam will not change. Similarly, here the height of the columns are same, but the cross-sectional dimension of the vertical members is different. Here the moment of inertia, this is I1, this is moment of inertia of the column I2. Then there will be change in the moment of inertia in the two columns, though the heights are same, but they are geometrically, there is a difference in the cross-sectional dimensions of the vertical columns. Then this one is non-symmetrical. There may be chances of the side sway either towards left side or towards right side. Similarly, some of the portal frames, here the horizontal members are not fixed. Then in such case there may be chances of the sway towards either to the left side or to the right side. Here, though this one is, by observing this portal way, the length of the two columns are same, but here the geometry is geometrically this one is symmetrical. This one is the height of this column, this one is the height of this column, but here with respect to load this one is non-symmetrical. Here the load is acting at a distance of A from one of the end, B from the other end, hence this one is non-symmetrical. There may be chances of the sway, lateral sway, either towards left side or to the right side. Here these are all the non-sway, here these are the sway portal frames. Here delta is not equal to 0 in all these cases. Here geometrically symmetrical, but with respect to load this is non-symmetrical, geometrically non-symmetrical. Then here with geometrically or with respect to support this is non-symmetrical. Here because of this lateral load this one is undergo deformation, that is lateral sway of the vertical members only, not horizontal member. Here you have to consider the lateral sway in the vertical members only. Here this one is geometrically non-symmetrical, since the length of height of the columns are different, then there may be chances of the lateral sway. Here the sign convention for the lateral sway we have already discussed this, that is sign convention. That one is, here with respect to the bottom edge, if the lateral deflection is to the right side, this one is positive deflection. Here this lateral sway, that one is positive. If with respect to the bottom edge, this one is bottom, the top edge move towards right side, this one is positive sway. If it is in the opposite direction, that is negative. Okay, we will study some of the problems.